If you're working in Affinity and the interface feels a little too dark for your taste, now you can actually switch it up to a brighter theme instantly. Just keep in mind, this feature is only available in Affinity version 3.1, so if you're on an older version, make sure you update first. Alright, so to change the app UI, head over to Edit, then hit Settings. Once the Settings window pops up, click on the User Interface section, and right there, under UI Style, you'll see two buttons, Dark and Light. Now if you're on a Mac, you'll actually spot a third option called Default OS, which basically just sync the UI with whatever theme your OS is using. I'm on Windows, so I've only got two options, Dark and Light. Let me click on Light, and there we go. It switches to this light gray theme, which makes everything a whole lot brighter. So just to compare, here's dark mode, and here's light mode. Dark, light. If you're happy with light mode, just hit close, and you're all set. And that's basically it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.